Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to remove the door panel on a Honda S2000. I'm removing my door panel so that I can repair the snapped cable on my window regulator. Anyway, let's get to it. The first thing you want to do is use a Phillips head screwdriver to remove the screw securing the handle case to the door panel. You'll need to pull the door handle in order to expose the screw. Once the screw is removed, you should be able to turn the handle case and slip it out around the handle to remove the handle case. The next two screws are hidden inside the door pull. Use a trim removal tool to pry the two plastic caps off the door pull, and then use a Phillips head screwdriver to remove the two screws securing the door pull to the door. There will be one odd plastic clip securing the door panel to the door. Use a trim removal tool to pop the clip out. At this point, the back side of the door panel will be secured to the door with 6 plastic clips. On the bottom of the door panel where it meets the door, you'll find a spot where you can insert a trim removal tool to pry the door panel away from the door. Work your way towards the edge of the door and pop the door panel clips off of the door. Now you're ready to separate the door panel from the door. The top of the door panel is resting along the top of the door, so all you need to do is tilt the door panel forwards and lift it to free it. As you pull the door panel away, it will still be attached to a few wiring harnesses in the door. If you have a 2002 model year and up, you'll need to disconnect the tweeter connector. Regardless of the model year, you'll need to disconnect the power mirror switch for driver doors and the power window switch for both driver and passenger doors. With the back of the door panel exposed, this is a good opportunity to replace any broken or weakened plastic clips. If you found this video helpful, give this video a thumbs up. Otherwise, if you're located in the Bay Area and looking to have some work done on your car, feel free to DM me on Instagram.